Welcome to this PV Manager tutorial. In this video I will show you how you can create a pitched roof. In the left menu we have already created a rectangular building. If you click on it, the right menu appears and you can type in the position and the size of the building. The next step is to select a roof shape. Like in this case, we take the pitched roof. You can also choose different roof coverings, like tiles, tin roof, or a sandwich roof. After that, you can type in informations for each roof side, like the inclination or the roof overhang. The last step is to select the subconstruction. The space left means when the first rafter begins from the left roof edge. Then you can type in the space between the rafters, or you take the check mark out and type in the quantity of the rafters. You also have to type in the size of the rafters. With a double click on the roof, you get into the roof view. Now you can choose your mounting system, like here the Topfix 200. Then you select the module manufacturer and your module type. After that, you select different informations for the subconstruction, like the clamp color or the clamp type. There are also different fasteners, like the Roof Hook Standard S Plus or the Mammut XL S Plus, which is for bigger snow or wind loads. The module carrier profile can be selected as TF50 or as TF60 in different lengths.